Welcome back to my kitchen, and today I am going to make pear. Pear is already washed and cut in small pieces, and I'm going to use apple. I'm using 3 apples. I've already cut up 2 apples in small pieces. I'm going to use 1 whole orange juice, and I'm going to use half of lemon. And I am about to start. I'm making natural healthy pear, apple, orange, with a hint of lemon juice and a hint of honey. I've already washed my pear, cut up in small pieces, so I'm going to put it straight into my blender. I'm going to wash my apples. Cut my oranges in 2 halves. Squeeze it straight into my blender. This orange is very juicy. Orange, all these fruits are very good for you. They're all full of vitamin C. And this is what we need to keep us looking good and staying healthy. Half of lemon straight into my blender. Lemon juice is very good for us. Very good for our skin also. And my honey, I really love my honey. So my honey, I can't do without my honey. So I'm gonna add a bit of honey to my fruits. Honey is also very good for your health. So I'm just gonna add enough water to cover my fruits. I'm using still spring water. You don't need no more than that water. Just enough water to cover your fruits. Too much water, you'll kill the flavor and the juice just won't taste right. It won't be nice and healthy, and that is what we want. I'm switching my blender on. I'm just going to turn my blender on now. And I'll be blending. I won't be blending for long because my blender is very powerful. finished blending. Wow, it's looking good. And it is ready for straining. So I am going to strain my juice. So just have a look at this. Looking really good, really thick, rich and healthy. All the fruits are combined together. You can see the richness in this fruit. So I am about to strain my juice. When you're making your natural healthy juice, this is what you should look for. Make sure it's all looking thick and healthy. If it water really runny, it's no good. It have to be thick, rich and healthy. So this is what you need to look for. And then you will enjoy the benefit of your fruits. All the pear, the apple, the orange, the lemon, everything all combined together nicely. And it's all looking very rich and healthy. Smell really good. Guys, please watch my video and start living a healthy lifestyle. I'm just going to give my juice a second straining just to make sure all the bits are out. All the bits are out of my juice. Wow, that is looking really rich and healthy. Wow. Wow. Ooh. I'm just gonna add a little bit of honey to my juice. That honey is okay. We don't need any more than that because the fruit is already sweet. Just finishing touch. I'm just combining it all together. Wow, that is looking good. And I'm just gonna pour some over a bit of ice. You can have it over ice. You can leave it on your fridge to chill, whichever way you prefer. So I'm just going to have a bit of taste, then I'll tell you guys what I think about my juice. Wow. Really nice. Really, really refreshing and nice. All the fruits combined together and it is really nice. I can taste the healthiness in this juice. This is what you call natural healthy juice. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Enjoy your juice. I'm out. Bye.